Mineral cartridges. How often do I change the mineral cartridge in my pool?
Well, without knowing specifically the brand, I wouldn't be able to tell you its longevity. It's it's a suggested length of time based on average and normal use. I think what I would suggest that you do is look at the particular mineral cartridge brand that you have, go to the user manual, go if you have to the manufacturer online, and see if they have, if you don't have the manuals, see if they have them online, and they would be able to suggest if a pool is run 8 hours a day, how long would this mineral cartridge last, or how many gallons. It may be also set up how many gallons can run through this successfully before the mineral cartridge is no longer useful. Because there's some systems out there that are a few months, and there's some systems that are probably 6 months based on overall use, size of the pool, location, temperature of water, all of those things. So probably the best advice would be go to the manufacturer. If you have to go to the website, find the user's manual and find your particular model and see what they recommend.